Knowledge is light. Knowledge is light. Knowledge is light. Knowledge is light. Knowledge. Look, the light of knowledge is spread out. Look, the light of knowledge.
Welcome to all the viewers of Madani channel in our silsila Knowledge is Light. Alhamdulillah, today we are going to start the first semi-final. So Alhamdulillah, two teams are here. Today we are going to watch the competition in between team Shafi'i and team Ajmeri. Right, the both teams, Shafi'i team please come forward, Ajmeri team please come forward, have your seats. Welcome to you as well. Marhaba, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Shafi'i team right hand side and Ajmeri team on my left hand side. So Alhamdulillah, as you know, the most Islamic brothers of these all competitions belong to Jamiatul Madina, and many of them are the students of English language course. But see, who are the participants of the day? So have a short introduction about the participants of the day. MashaAllah Zawajal, Shafi'i team, what's your sweet name and a little bit introduction about you?
I am Muhammad Usman from Jamiatul Madina. I am learning English
Language course, MashaAllah. Usman is the first Islamic brother, G the second one.
My name is Abu Wasif Kashiful Atari, and I am doing English language course in Alami Madani Markaz, Faizan Madina.
Kashiba is also from English language course, G the third one.
This is Israr Nawaz from Gujarat. I am studying in Jamiatul Madina Arabic language course.
Arabic language course. Look at the beauty. He is learning Arabic but participating in English silsila. The next one.
My name is Muhammad Anis Azatari. I am a student of English course.
Student of English course, G the next one.
My name is Muhammad Junaid Ali Attari. I am from Gujarat and I am student of English language course.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So out of 6, 2 and 4. 4 belong to English language course, 1 Arabic language course, and 1 Islamic brother belong to the department of Madani.
So, may I ask the Shafi'i team and the Ajmeri team, how are you all doing today?
Alhamdulillah.
Not too bad. Praise by Alhamdulillah, we are ready and we can't wait. And please
Allah,
start
Allah, 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 Allah.
Alhamdulillah,
as
we
soon
are
possible.
feeling too much better today.
MashaAllah. So basically you had come to the semi-finals after winning so many, I would say, segments and winning other teams. And that is how you all have reached here. And I'm hoping the best for both the teams, as tomorrow is another day. And then the final round will be on Sunday. Yes, dear viewers of Madani channel, as you can see the level of confidence. But I'm really scared now because you saying you cannot wait for the silsila to continue. And jab shuru mein ye haal hai to aage aage dekhte hota hai kya? MashaAllah. Ajmeri team, what do you say?
Tabriz bhai, we are also ready for the segment. As you know, we have reached to semi-final. So inshallah, we will beat and inshallah reach the semi-final. Because my heart is saying again and again, inshallah, you will be winner today, inshallah.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Your heart is saying that you're going to be the winner today. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept your supplication, inshallah. Both the teams should be the winner. I want this to be on the good note for both the teams, inshallah. So basically, Ajmeri team, do you think you're going to go to the final round?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. This is the way you should say inshallah.
Yes.
I have the same thought for the Shafi'i team as well. So you're going to go to the finals. Do you think that?
Inshallah, by
we
the
will
blessing of
succeed
Allah.
in final too, because behind our success there are a lot of prayers of my
Allah,
parents.
Allah, Allah, Allah. Hakikat hai. This is the truth.
Yes.
And with the du'as and through the blessings of the pious people and through the hard work that you all have did and you all are here today, and the viewers of the world are watching you today. So inshallah, give your best performance. Don't feel shy. Keep the level of confidence going on. And together, inshallah, we're going to start this segment. So dear viewers of Madani channel, get ready for the first segment. And the name of this beautiful segment is Beware Before You Say.
Knowledge is light. Knowledge is light.
MashaAllah. So we are back, dear viewers of Madani channel, and today I will continue and start this segment with the first question out to the Shafi'i team on my right hand side. Shafi'i team, are you ready?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah, we are Alhamdulillah.
So pay attention to the question and you need to give the answer. Sometimes in the heart of a holy man, something is instilled while asleep or awake. What is that thing called? And your time starts now.
Ilham.
Ilham.
Yeah.
Yes.
And your answer is correct. Subhanallah. Yes, dear viewers of Madani channel. The thing is called ilham, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts something into your heart for the betterment. Subhanallah. Let's go to the Ajmeri team. And now the first question for the Ajmeri team is this. What did Hazrat Adam alayhi salam eat first on the land? And your time starts now.
Wheat.
Who said wheat? Narrated by which companion? Do you know anything extra?
Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala narrates.
You said narrated by Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And the first diet?
Wheat.
And the first diet brought on the earth is wheat.
Yes.
And your answer, Ajmeri team, is also correct. Subhanallah, mashallah, dear viewers of Madani channel, we had a very good takeoff that the Shafi'i team answered correctly as well as the Ajmeri team. But we cannot say what's going to happen further on. So now let's go back to the Shafi'i team. Ab bataएं, you have to tell me, for how many days will one day of judgment last? And your time starts now.
50,000 years.
Repeat your answer.
50,000 years.
For 50.
And your answer for this question, that how long will one day of judgment last?
Yes.
You said 50,000 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shafi'i team, your answer is also correct. Subhanallah. Yes, one day of judgment, dear viewers of Madani channel, is going to last for 50,000 years. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from the torment of the hereafter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us pious people. And now let's go back to the Ajmeri team. And there's your question, Ajmeri team. Which animal will have staff and the ring of Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam in its hand?
Dabatul Ard.
Dabbatul Ard. It will have the Asai Mubarak, the staff, and the ring of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam in its hand. And you said the name of this animal is?
Dabatul Ard.
Dabbatul Ard. And my respected Ajmeri team, your answer is also correct. Subhanallah. Ab to Subhanallah ki sadai laga le. MashaAllah. Very, very good. We're going to ask these couplets to both the teams, Shafi'i team and Ajmeri team. You know the procedure. One line I will read, one line you will read. If I will read one line, mujhe koi marks to milne wala nahi hai. But if you read one line, you will definitely get marks for it. Am I right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
So Ajmeri team, there you are ready. Complete this line of this couplet. Ya ilahi gore tira ki jab aaye sakht raat. And your time starts now. Ya ilahi gore tira ki jab aaye sakht raat.
उनके प्यारे मुंह की सुबह जहाँ फिजा का साथ हो.
उनके प्यारे मुंह के सुबह जहाँ फिजा का साथ हो. And Ajmeri team, your answer is correct. Subhanallah. The Ajmeri team had given the correct answer for the first question of the segment, compete to complete. But then now I would ask the Shafi'i team, as the first question was asked to the Ajmeri team, aap taiyar hai ki nahi?
Alhamdulillah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So complete this couplet for me. जिसकी दो बूंद हैं कौसर और सलसबील. And your time starts now. Very, very good naat.
जिसकी दो बूंद हैं कोसरो सलसबी है वो रहमत का दरिया हमारा नबी
जिसकी दो बूंद हैं कौसरो सलसबील है वो रहमत का दरिया हमारा नबी. Shafi team, your answer is correct. Subhanallah. Yes, dear viewers of Madani channel, the Shafi team now had also answered correctly, and this is also written by Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan.
Difference in the competition.
Inshallah. And now we are looking at the scoreboard, and we can see that the Ajmeri team got 3 points for this segment, and the Shafi'i team got 7 points for this segment. At the moment, the Shafi'i team has 25 points, and the Ajmeri team got 19 points. Still is going on very well, and the Ajmeri team is not so behind or backwards in this Silsila Knowledge is Light. Yes, dear viewers of Madani channel, and the name of this segment is Think Before You Blink.
Knowledge is light. Knowledge is light.
Welcome back, dear viewers of Madani channel. Shafi team and the Ajmeri team. You will notice something a little different as you have just heard the introduction by Asad Bhai for this segment. And you can see something shining on your desks with a green button on the top.
Yes.
This is the buzz which have been fitted for you. And the theme and idea of this segment is this. I am not going to ask the Shafi team a question, nor would I ask the Ajmeri team a question. I am going to ask a general question.
Okay.
To both at the same time. Whoever rings the buzzer first, the question will be asked to that person. Okay? And remember, you can only press the buzzer if you know the answer, because it is a danger zone for you to press the buzzer if you don't know the answer. As if you press the buzzer and you was asked the question and you did not give the correct answer, then your marks will be cut by 2. Your existing marks will be minused and deducted by 2 numbers. So therefore, you should only press the buzzer if you know the answer, and if you don't know the answer, you shouldn't press the buzzer. So therefore, the next question will be asked. All right?
Okay, yes.
So can you please test the buzzer? A little more long so I can... All right. Your side. Okay. So both the teams are ready.
It is lordly.
I can see the Shafi team buzz is a bit more stronger than the Ajmeri team. So let's see who presses it first to give the correct answer for the question. Dear viewers of Madani channel, this is the final segment. Shafi and Ajmeri, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because your hands are on the buzz.
Yes.
But remember, you need to know when to press it, because if you pressed it and you don't know the answer, jo hai wo bhi khatam ho jayega. La la la. You don't want to lose something that you have. Nevertheless, there is the first question. Dear viewers of Madani channel, the question is, how many rivers are there in paradise, and what are they? Allah, Allah, Allah. Sawal khatam bhi nahi hua. And they have buzzed.
Okay.
Nevertheless, tell me.
In the paradise, there are 4 rivers. First of milk, and the second one is honey, and the third one is water, and the fourth one is milk, water, honey, and the fourth one is by
Allah, Allah.
musk, and one more thing is
One more thing. And your time is clicking. Oof. Time is over.
the fourth one is musk.
I told you the rule before it started.
Yes.
That if you know the question, if you know the answer for the question, then only you should press the button. But you have buzzed it and you had given the answer in a very different sequence.
Sharab-e-tahur.
Yes, you are right, Shafi team. And now what should we do, Majlis? What do you decide before I give my, because you need to give the final authority. Oh, 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 Allah, 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 Allah.
Allahu Akbar Kabira.
Do you remember how many points did you have?
Yes.
Yeah.
How many?
4
Now do you know how many you're going to have?
point.
We have to
You know how many you're going to have now after I tell you what's going to happen here?
Okay. But we
The
deserve-
answer that you had given, that paradise has how many rivers?
4.
4.
Yes.
The first one you said is
Water,
milk,
honey,
For
Honey.
water, for honey. For milk, for water, of milk, of water, of honey, and of sharab tahur.
Sharab tahur you are saying now, brother. Shafi'i team.
But we deserve one.
Ajmeri team, what do you think about them? You don't need to give the answer. Just tell me. Nevertheless, dear viewers of Madani channel, the Shafi'i team had tried very hard, but unfortunately, they could not get the last one correct. Therefore, the Majlis have decided, since the Shafi'i team had tried very hard to give the answer and they rang the buzz first, you will get only 1 mark.
I was considering that we deserve one.
He was considering that you should deserve 1 mark for giving 3/4 of the answer correct. And so we would give you that, as you were
Thank you so
considering
much.
that.
Jazakallah.
And you had
Jazakallah
husn
khairan.
zan. So we appreciate that. Nevertheless.